If a spot ETF for XRP is approved in the United States and attracts just 15 to 30% of the capital inflow seen by Bitcoin ETFs, XRP's price could soar, potentially rising ninefold from its current level. According to data from Sosovalue, Bitcoin ETFs have seen net inflows of around $39 billion since early 2024. If an XRP ETF captures 15% of that, it would mean roughly $5.85 billion flowing into XRP-focused funds. Using a conservative multiplier ratio of 100x, XRP's market value could increase by $585 billion on top of its current market cap of approximately $130 billion. That would bring its total valuation to around $715 billion. With the current circulating supply of XRP at 58.44 billion tokens, this could push the price to about $12.23 per token. If XRP ETF inflows reach 30% of Bitcoin ETF levels, $11.7 billion, the price increase could be even more dramatic. Under the same assumptions, XRP's valuation could jump by $1.17 trillion, bringing the total to around $1.3 trillion. That would push the price per token to about $22.20, nearly a 900% increase from today's price of roughly $2.22. Of course, these numbers are projections and depend on one major factor: whether a spot XRP ETF is actually approved. According to prediction platform Polymarket, the probability of an XRP ETF being approved this year has now risen to 80%, up from 68% the previous week. This jump reflects growing optimism among market participants. Several investment firms, including Bitwise, 21 Shares, WisdomTree, and Franklin Templeton, have already submitted proposals for a spot XRP ETF. However, on April 29th, the SEC extended its review period for Franklin Templeton's proposal. So far, no final decision has been made. Meanwhile, XRP ETF developments are moving quickly. On April 8th, Teucrium Investment Advisors launched the Teucrium 2x Long Daily XRP ETF, offering leveraged exposure to daily XRP price movements. ProShares has also received approval to launch a set of futures-based ETFs, though these are still derivative products and do not involve direct XRP ownership. Interestingly, Bitwise Chief Investment Officer has stated that they are seeing massive demand for an XRP ETF. This signals that institutional investors are waiting for regulatory clarity before entering the market. With the Ripple versus SEC case nearing resolution and support from companies like Coinbase, CME Group, and Bitnomial through CFTC-regulated futures contracts, the chances of an XRP ETF approval are looking stronger than ever. The question now is, if the ETF is approved, are you ready?